Alright, this looks very similar to the cone, except instead of having that apex at the top, it has two of those circular bases. So when I go to count the vertices, I don't have an apex or any other corner here. So I have 0 vertices. I also have 0 edges. Yes, I have these places here, but these are circles, and remember, a face has to be a polygon and a circle is not a polygon. So I have 0 faces, but since I do have 2 flat places that my cylinder can rest on, then I can say that I have 2 circle bases. Let's add that to our table. So again, our cylinder has 2 circle bases. It has 0 faces, 0 vertices, and 0 edges. Why don't you go ahead and fill in your real-life example of our cylinder to finish off our table. And then when you're finished, take a picture of this and upload it into Google Classroom so I can see all the wonderful real-life examples you've been adding to your table this week. I cannot wait to see it. Thank you so much for being with me as we go over the attributes of these three-dimensional shapes. We're going to look more into comparing and classifying them next week.